Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OTA map updates for EV route planning on Android Auto. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize OTA map updates for EV route planning on Android Auto, begin by unlocking your vehicle and starting your engine. Next, ensure that your smartphone is connected to the car's infotainment system via Bluetooth or USB. Open the Android Auto app on your smartphone. If you haven't yet installed the app, download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Maps or Navigation Settings. Tap on it to access the mapping preferences. In this section, locate the setting for OTA map updates. Enable the OTA map update feature if it is not already activated. Once enabled, check for any available updates. Make sure your vehicle is parked, as some updates may require the vehicle to be stationary. The app may prompt you to authorize or confirm your preferences for map updates. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authorization process. After authorization, the app will begin downloading the necessary map updates. Ensure your phone remains connected to a stable Wi-Fi network throughout the update process. Once the updates are downloaded, disconnect your smartphone from the car. Restart the car's infotainment system for the changes to take effect. Reconnect your smartphone to the system to access the newly updated maps. Open the navigation app you prefer to use for EV route planning. You're now ready to plan your routes with the latest map updates on Android Auto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.